All right, little red. You want to rock it? Let me show you how I roll.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Know what I say? An apple a day keeps the nerves at bay.
Yeah, what's good, y'all? Welcome back. We back up in this chest. Another video for y'all, man. Hold on. My earphones on the ground. Oh, damn. I'm gonna screw that intro up. Alright, go. Sorry, I'm just waking up. Alright, what's good, y'all? Welcome back. We back up in this chest with no reaction. Love. Y'all know about this, man. Love. Today we're gonna be reacting to finally episode 5 of Monkey Wrench. I've been waiting for this, y'all, ever since I saw the motherfucking trailer, man, because like, yo, this episode looks like it's gonna have some real impactful bullshit. So if y'all here for it, let's do it, man. Yo, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and also keep your eyes open, bruh. It is September. Hold up, I gotta look at my eyes. It is September 27th, bruh. We got a couple more days left. I'm telling you, it's coming. It's coming, y'all. So now, keep this in mind. In the channel, there will be some guests featured in there. If y'all want to be in the next short or whatever it is that's going to be in the animation channel, hey, just go up in there. And it's not out now, but like, you know what I'm saying? I'll tell you when you get there. Anyway, for you now talking, let's get to it.
In the beginning, there was a flash of white. And from that white, the 3 colors emerged. Primaries red, yellow, and blue.
Oh, shit.
Together, they painted the galaxy's blank canvas with life. Far and wide their children spread. But the eldest of their children, the Terrans, grew too arrogant. They sought to create a new idol, a new color, a new form of life.
Green.
It failed.
Oh.
Countless races were caught in the cataclysm. Those that survived, corrupted beyond all recognition. How could we prevent such an event from occurring again?
I don't know, bitch. You tell me.
Science, commerce, enforcement. The League of Aligned Worlds was formed. Our Birth of Law series continues today as we join Tezeri, protege of Primary Red and commander of law enforcement. She will be showing us the lengths they will go to support those displaced by the unfortunate events that still plague our galaxy.
What do the DNA samples show?
So far, it doesn't seem compatible with any species on the registry.
They speak, yes. Has there been no communication?
Oh my
We're
Lord.
working on that, ma'am. But they're not exactly talkative.
Oh, young man!
What do you call yourself? Very well. We'll address you by your case number for the time.
Huh?
My name is Porty. I am royalty.
Huh?
I see. Well, Punty, you'll be assigned a temporary living space as we continue to search for any sign of others such as yourself.
Others as themselves? Sucker. All of them are gone. Why didn't they take him with them? Look, y'all, I've seen Monkey Wrench before. Like, I've seen what happened to him. Spoiler ahead. But his entire race got extinct right in front of him. Like, why didn't they take him with them, though? Why didn't they take him? They better take him in this episode, bro. They better take him in this episode. He lost everything, bro. The least you could do is take him with y'all. Hold on. Let me get my mic right here. There we go. There you go. Don't ask me why I did that. And my pencil fell. Wait, what was I finna say? Don't matter. Man. I think they're called lithops. Probably.
We'll do all that we can. Believe that.
I know.
It's hard to believe, in this day and age, entire species can still just disappear.
No, they were killed.
Commander?
They were killed.
This galaxy bears scars that are immense and profound. Scars that, without proper care, may reopen. May the Trinity continue to grant us strength in these trying times.
Sorry to interrupt, Commander Tizeri, but it's him. He's back.
Ah, shoot.
Lots and lots of strength.
Woo! Let's get it. Wait, rewind. Whoa, yeah, before they got there. Alright, we still gotta taste this one.
You're gonna blow up the whole crate like that.
Trust me!
Remember what happened the last time I did that?
I can make this right. Son of a...
Oh!
All right, little red. You want to rock? Let me show you how I roll.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
You want to rock? Let me show you how I roll.
Let's get it! I love that character, by the way.
Too easy. Later, dickhead!
My gun? My crate? My phone? Or is this
Mr. Sanchez, I'm called to see how that contract is going. It's 30 minutes past due, and we're kind of wondering where you are.
Didn't you tell them we were going to be late?
Dang, I was kind of busy.
I'm
Kind of busy with
Stall
what?
for a bit.
You got us into this. You get us out.
Yep, you got us into it. You get us out. That is your fault. See, look, y'all. Last episode. Oh, he actually do got 4 fingers. Okay, last episode. Look. Last episode. This man, Beeps. That's what they call him, but his name is Browns. This man trusted Sanchez with the bread. You know, the credit card, that Chuck E. Cheese, that bread, bro, that green, that cheddar. He trusted him with the cheddar. You know what this sucker gonna do? He gonna gamble it all the way. I don't know what I was looking at earlier. You know what this sucker gonna do? He gonna gamble that shoe all the way. And on top of that, he let his guard down and let the crate get stolen. This is pretty much all his dang fault. 100. Also, looking at the thumbnail, I think Beeps and him get into an argument. I want to see this. Hey, because everybody is telling him, yo, everybody's telling Browns, yo, you gotta dip on Sanchez. This man is too much of a problem. You gotta dip on him, bro. Freak is that? Oh, my dog's hair. Man, I'm sorry, I just I don't know what the freak that was about my luxurious beard. But yeah, everybody's telling this man, yo, you gotta dip on Sanchez. This dude just caused nothing but havoc. But let's continue. I always double check, because you know the last thing you want is for me, like the last thing I want is for me to start recording, and then next thing you know, boom, you realize, I really was freaking.
Mr. Sanchez.
Hola! We seem to be having some issues at the...
Gunfire? Get out of the way. Merc, I'm this close to sending the local precinct out after you.
Lo siento. No hablo.
Ah, shit.
You!
Shrike, listen.
I got this.
Oh.
No, listen.
Shrike. Oh, Shrike. Oh. Yeah, Toons led us the way.
Yo, Ribcage, my main man! Your boy's bringing home some fat stacks tonight! Tell Kneecap, we'll celebrate!
Bro, what's that behind you?
Is that Papyrus? Oh, let me stop. What's up? Oh! Yep, that got your tail.
Fucking piece of shit! You fucking bald?
Oh my god!
No, it's fine! Take box! Yes! Good! Happy!
It's hard not to like that character.
Wait a minute.
Lo siento. Old girls falling apart on me.
Get here in the next 15 minutes, else both of you will be arrested.
Get here in the next 15 minutes.
You're gonna kill me with stunts like this.
No regrets?
No regrets. They got the thing. We got the thing, though.
Last time I helped that old fossil.
Ah, shoot. Somewhere in the QZ. What is that? Wait, I seen that in the trailer.
Get anywhere if you keep your pacing like that.
Let me find out that this dude is actually one of the most powerful characters.
You know what I say? An apple a day keeps the nerves at bay. That's the spirit.
Where is your pet?
Madam, slice your face off.
Ah, shoot. when you're an expert assassin but can't handle one idiot merc. Oh, damn. Her name is getting tarnished. Bruh, her name is getting tarnished, bruh. Damn, I feel bad for her. They making me about her. She look like Alex the Lion, bruh. Damn, I feel bad for baby. Look, let me tell y'all something, man. Last episode, she got humiliated again. She had this man Sanchez right in the palm of her claws. You know what she do? She played with her food. She was playing with her food. She was like, she was trying to enjoy the shoot. I say just kill the sucker and get it over with. He was struck by luck, to be honest. He was struck by luck. But dang, bro, Cabra, yeah, it's not looking for you. It's not looking good for you, baby. Nope. And dang, he even called her a pet. A pet? Whoo! Dang, man, I like this. Come on, man, we got. I knew it.
Oh. She's painting the town red. And on that happy note.
Damn. Like, that's actual blood on her hand, for real. She said, oh. That remind me. Hold up. Who remember that episode? Who remembers this show on Cartoon Network? It was about a cat. And he wanted to be a hero and shoot. He had a red cape and shoot. Matter of fact, I'm just going to roll the clip. Roll it. That's the one I'm talking about. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Hey, man. Who else remembers that? That's familiar.
Huh? What? Oh.
She's painting the town red. And on that happy note, your tracking number has updated from delayed to out for delivery. Hooray for you!
I was promised there would not be a delay.
See, there's this thing in the biz we like to call bad intel. Oh, them blues. Just straight up giving it to a merc group of all things.
Centuries of work, my work. The very future is in that box. Why can you not bring them directly to me?
This airline don't do carry-ons, especially cataclysmic ones.
Yeah. abilities. I cannot lose them again. Not when I am so close.
Don't you fret your apple-stomping head. JB's a professional. He can handle it. Ahoy, hoy. Uh-huh. Wow. Okay, love you.
What?
So, JB couldn't handle it, and that Merc group is taking the goods to law as we speak. You're right, that is bad. Got a plan B, Daddy-O?
Huh? You got a plan B?
You take me to them personally.
With your agoraphobia? Sounds awful risky.
You have left me no other option. The risk is warranted.
Doing it yourself, I love it. Though you're gonna have to book your own return flight.
Consider that part covered.
Golly, well, if you put it that way, your chariot awaits. Shall we?
Who is this dude? Who is this guy? Why is he kind of cool though? He's like one of those characters. He's like one of them goofy characters who's powerful as shoot. Like he's showing literally no type of fear at all.
Yourself, I love it.
What is he?
You're gonna have
and
to
who is he?
Book your own return flight.
Consider that part covered.
Golly, well, if you put it that way, your chariot awaits. Shall we?
What is this dude? Some type of paper dude? Paper man?
No mames.
Ah.
Ta-da.
Here. Why did it have to be here?
The sooner we deliver this, the sooner we can leave.
I can't go in there.
You can't go in there. Alright, you don't have to.
In and out. Easy. She won't be here.
She won't be here. Oh my god. So Sanchez clearly name has gotten around.
Wonder if that little light-up fellow is around.
I'm sure those little pebbles are running about here somewhere.
Shrike. It's just the one. Remember?
What? Yeah. No, sure. I remember.
Oh, shoot.
In here that bad?
Thought I saw Hueso Verde's accomplice for a sec.
Oh, so he had an accomplice now.
Little gray guy in a law uniform to boot. Disco Man was there too, and Black Paper Man with a hat.
Oh, shoot.
Here you are, officers. One container delivered to...
Give it here. I think the primary's those documentary guys are keeping them busy. Else...
What in the great spectrum is that doing out here?
Wait, what the freak?
Halt! Lower your weapons. I need a biohazard team down here. Now.
A curious development. Seems even Law has off days.
Cameras off. We'll continue later.
Cameras.
Explain.
Oh shoot.
Commander.
He was like, hey, who in here? She's like, hey, who in here doing illegal shoot? Who in here doing illegal shoot? Bro, I swear, I'm getting goosebumps. Hold up, double check. Thankfully.
If you'll allow me, these blues assigned a classified object to some merc bumpkins to avoid the associated
Wait a minute!
risks.
You are the motherfucker who almost got us killed!
Illegally, I might add.
Killix, 62. Is this assessment accurate?
He did it.
Hey! Oh, you snitch!
Seeing as Sister Raphaim is not here, I'll see to it that you are both suitably punished. Get them out of my sight.
Shoot.
And as for you, Officer Sanchez, I trust your leave of absence proved enlightening. 6 months past your posted sabbatical, Suit still attached. Calling yourself a mercenary.
Seems to be an epidemic of individuals masquerading as law officials lately, ma'am.
You've blatantly disobeyed protocol.
But he...
And your actions reflect poorly on all involved. We have rules.
Yeah, stupid ones.
Stupid ones.
Tell me, what was your plan? To stay away forever? Continually run from your responsibilities, yet reap all the benefits? Arrogance has gotten you this far. You seem to have all the answers, Sanchez. So please, do go on.
You seem to have all the answers.
Very well. Your service with law enforcement is hereby terminated.
Okay.
The surgery to remove your suit has been scheduled.
You can't just...
And you will return your effects. That includes your issued firearms.
No!
Which will be deactivated and scrubbed of your prints. Both you, your colleague, and your ship will be detained and decontaminated before you are free to leave. As for payment, it will be honored once Primary Red confirms its delivery. Is that clear, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes. Yes, Commander Tezzeri, ma'am.
Your endling status may give you some leniency, but it does not make you immune to the laws of this galaxy. You do well to remember that. Escort them to the medical wing.
I never wanted to come back.
Yet here you are.
I never wanted to come back. Here you are. Get your hands off of me. Woo! What's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen now? What does that mean?
Please make your selection. Please make your
Couldn't she take the hint?
Please.
Knock it off.
What? They own me. Besides, it's just a dumb machine. It don't feel nothing. Hey, I was taught this trick. See? If you hit these things just right.
What's gonna happen now?
You never properly resigned?
I don't want to talk about it. Who was the other Warrenian guy back at the casino?
I don't want to talk about it.
Who's the Warren guy?
If it makes you feel any better...
Calling patient 57. The surgeon will see you now. Patient 57, the surgeon will see you now.
Guess I better get going.
I think I'll get going too.
Yeah, okay, I'll meet you back at the bucket. Right?
No.
Wait, huh? Wait, that's it? No, wait. What do you mean, no?
Yeah. No! This is great. Perfect, even. Yeah, just get a job with lawcomers. It's easy. Simple work, good hours, get paired up with an idiot meathead.
Really? In front of my potato.
Oh, demotion.
Bruh.
Then my dad's gonna kill me.
I didn't know it was that important.
The delivery contract you made. The dead people you mentioned.
Now promise me you'll be home by 8 p.m.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, how'd you get in here? This place is off limits, bud. Beat it.
Oh, what you thought was gonna happen?
Seem to be lost. Be a dutiful officer and direct this senior citizen to Corporal processing. Your cooperation is appreciated.
Your cooperation is appreciated. You just
I'm
killed
putting in my 2 weeks.
You just killed everybody.
Decontamination report looks good.
Finally, get them cuffs off.
We'll snip that suit off and get you on your merry way. Do you have anything else to wear?
This is all I have.
Oh, let me requisition you some simple civvies. Can't have you running around without any clothes on now, can we?
What he looks like without it? Oh.
Arms up. Now, you may feel a slight sting. What in the...
Oh, shoot. You gotta get him and the life thoughts out of here. You gotta get the life thoughts out of here. No, not him too.
Hey, I'm walking here.
Sorry, officer.
Damn Iranians thinking they own the spot.
Mother Crystal Flynn?
Punti? That you? Hey, little guy.
Where's Mother Crystal? Did they take him away too?
Hey, shut it. Hey, I will use the syringe.
No, wait a minute.
This is law business.
Law business.
Back off.
This is why he don't like people.
Sounds like it is my business.
Sounds like it is my business.
You better run along, Merc. Things are about to get cataclysmic.
What is that in his head? He got cancer or something?
Tell the documentary crew I'll see them in. What now?
An unknown entity has appeared on the station, ma'am. Signature green.
Green? Where?
Deck 18 medical. On screen now.
Where?
Is that a plague walker, ma'am?
No, Ensign. That is something much worse.
Oh, wait.
All enforcers, apprehend the suspect at once! Do not let them escape with that box!
Oh, is that the music for the trailer? Hey! 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 Ha! Let's get it. Oh my god. Oh yeah, things are about to get funky. Why were you just standing there, number one? You should have just killed me.
Welcome. Please make your selection.
It's like, wait, I'm alive.
Insufficient funds. Please insert Pixel.
Why is the vending machine moving and talking to me?
Oh, shoot.
Selection. Your make. Please.
Look, if you're gonna be alive, at least make yourself useful. Andale, here.
Let's go.
Things stop being stolen for 5 minutes.
Let's go. That man's doing this booty naked, mind you. Oh, damn! Let's get it!
Alright, hombre de metal!
Oh! taking it. The freak? Oh!
What trickery is this? No. Are you?
Dolan! Wait, is that another one of his race? There has to be!
What a pleasure this is. Primary red puppet.
Foul abomination! You took a massive risk coming here! Relinquish green to me! Now!
As my species was once fond of saying, no risk, no reward.
No risk.
The reward is the future. It is on the horizon, dear puppet. There is no stopping what is to come.
Woo! Oh!
By the great spectrum! All units report your vessels at once! Sanchez, do not interfere!
I can help!
Leave now! And put some clothes on! For Spectrum's sake.
For Spectrum's sake, there's nothing there anyway. I can't help. He still helped regardless. Still, some way, somehow, they find themselves back.
You were getting your gear removed.
And I thought you had someplace to be.
What did you do?
It's not my fault this time.
We gotta save Booty.
We gotta save the box. We gotta save Booty. Yeah, we gotta save Pointy. We gotta save him, y'all. Woo! This you getting for real.
Vessel is almost in weapons range.
Aim to disable.
I gotta check if I'm still recording this. Okay, everything's still recording? Good.
Their warship. I want to take this heathen alive.
Take this heathen alive? Oh, shoot.
No effect, ma'am.
Woo!
Sanchez.
The cavalry has arrived.
Trike, what are you doing? We gotta get Booty.
Oh!
That little Lythop, you named him.
I thought you said there were no more.
I said there was one left.
So what?
So what?
So what? Shrike, he's all alone.
Then he should get used to it.
He should get used to it. Dang! Woo! Dang, bruh, Sanchez, what's going on?
Everything through that opening now!
Get open, sucker! Woo! Ah!
Should we pursue, ma'am?
No! You'll be torn asunder. Keep your distance!
Shrike, stop!
This will work! We can make this right!
Woo! Stay away, you damnable fool! You'll ruin everything!
Give me that box! Oh, shoot! What in Carton Milk? What is going on?
Orders, Commander.
Recall the fleet. I'll inform Primary Red of the situation once we have this current outbreak under control.
Did you get all of that?
Woo! Who knows where they are now? The island! shoot. Why he look like the sucker from what it is? Oh!
Por favor, pase lo que pase, tienes que ser bueno.
Oh! Is that his mama?
Peeps, 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 Peeps.
What happened to Peeps?
Oh, okay. We're good. We're good.
Where they at now?
¿Dónde diablos estamos?
I'd wager somewhere in the QZ, my good fellow.
Oh, shoot!
You ain't going anywhere anytime soon. How about it, Gem for Brains? Care for a little heart-to-heart?
Oh, hell. What's about to go down? Okay! Ha! Bro, I am speechless. I am speechless. Hey, y'all take your time. Hey, Monkey Wrench, I need all. I know I got a little small community, but yo, I need everybody, all 856 of y'all, thank y'all by the way, to go subscribe to this channel right now. Monkey Wrench, I'm leaving it in the description. Y'all go subscribe now, bro. Subscribe, bro. I'm speechless, bro. This was worth it. When I'm gonna post this? I'm gonna post this tomorrow. Yeah, no, I'll post this Monday. By the time y'all seeing this video is out Monday. The reason why it's out Monday because, you know, I would put like before Monday came. Right now it's Monday, but for me, no, it's Saturday. So like I could post this tomorrow, but which is Sunday. But now I'm gonna post it, which is when you're seeing it, Monday, because you know I'm working on my animation stuff, man. Wait, is that how much it cost? Is that how much it costs to make this? Let me see that. Hold up. Okay, let's see this. It says, okay, episode cost breakdown. Okay. Episode cost breakdown. Okay. About 800, okay, but 1800 per 60 seconds. 30 per 1 second. Okay, clients. I think that says what it is. Okay. It says animation. The animation cost 41,280.3 dollar bills. Okay, voice acting 6155. The music 7. Oh my god. The music 7,500. Sides, voice designs 9,300. Total cost, bro, that's $50,001 bills. Bro. Look, I'm not good at math. So I'm not good at math like that. So don't y'all come in the comments hating on me, man. Well, not really hating on me, but yo, just how much it cost? Every dollar bill, bro. Total cost, bro. What? Total cost per second. The same amount as what does that say up there? Bro. And the video's 30 minutes. Who is this? I don't know who that is. Probably the one who made the music. Yeah. Okay, that's the one who made the music. Bruh. I'm telling y'all. Man, animation ain't easy. Animation is not easy, y'all. I'm telling y'all right now. Like, see, look. I'm telling y'all. Let me tell y'all something. Now that I'm an animator myself, hey, wait till y'all see them. Wait till y'all see the animation channel. Now understand this, the animated series. I'm gonna explain that more when y'all get to the channel. For now, most stuff you'll see is just shorts and whatever and whatnot. But y'all, I'm telling y'all, animation is not easy. Now that I'm animating, dog, do y'all know how long it takes to do at least bro? No, I'm not playing around, bro. They're not playing around. When they say animation takes a long time, animation does take a long time, bro. I was like yesterday and a couple of days after, I was in my crib sitting there for probably 16 hours working on clips and shoot. Considering that my pen has to recharge, I had to go into the pencil ran low. Or until the tablet went low. Like, y'all, animation ain't easy, bro. I animate on Procreate. Actually, it's a really good app, really. I recommend y'all try that out. That's a highly recommended. Not sponsored, but I'd say definitely go to Procreate. Procreate is a good app. But, yo, I'm telling y'all, animation ain't easy, bro. It's not. It is not. Bro. Like, dang. Hey, respects to all of Monkey Wrench. Everybody clap that junk up. This video is about 40-something minutes. Hopefully some of y'all will watch this. Hopefully y'all like this bull. And if y'all don't like it or whatever it is, then I don't know what to tell you. This channel ain't for you. So go ahead and skedaddle. Anyway, that's it for this video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that, man. Right now my shoot is on my stuff is on 85%. Yes, I animate on this little thing here. If Procreate is on this computer, then I'm gonna just animate on here. That'll be easy. But hey, regardless, I'm still getting work done. Anyway, go ahead. Recording. I locked the door. Okay. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna hurry up, open it because that may be my brother outside. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and skedaddle. I got animation to do. Once again, Monkey Wrench. Hey man, I love y'all animation. And hey, I'ma see y'all in the big leagues too, man. Y'all doing animation? Hey, I'm gonna be doing the same. I'ma see y'all. Hey, I'm gonna be on top with y'all. I'm coming up there. Digital Circus, y'all too. I mean Glitch, yeah, y'all too. All like Vivzy Pop, y'all as well. I'm gonna be up there. I'm gonna keep me a team. I got a whole plan, but I ain't gonna say that. I ain't gonna say too much. I'm still figuring it out. But anyway, that's it. I'm done. All right, like, comment, subscribe, holla. Now this episode.